Hey everyone, I just finished building this custom quiz app themed around the world of Avatar, and I wanted to move beyond basic static layout and focus on creating an immersive experience using vanilla JavaScript and CSS and a little bit of HTML. So as you notice, first off, you can see the typewriter effect. It wasn't too much code to create that. You can see that code pretty much right here. And I just wanted to do that because it was really, I thought it'd be really cool to have it type out like we're in the future, like those old 90s movies. And I just wanted to give it that high-tech feel. So that's why I put that in there. And then to keep the UI looking clean and neat, I had the buttons appear after it was done typing. So you can see that right here, and then that cool CSS fade in. So first typing, and then the questions appear 2 seconds later with the animation CSS, uh, which is in here. And you can see that animation show up. There's the transition 1 second for when it appears, and then the next button takes 2 seconds to ease forward after we click an answer, and then the other one is the quiz container. It just shows 5 milliseconds ease in, ease out. So I'll just click that. You can see 2 seconds to fade in, correct? So going through this, I also spent a lot of time on the details. Like you can see the cognac gradient that goes all the way around with the Pandora green and the Pandora blue. So the before element has an opacity right up here. So here's the before and after to make this cognac gradient happen. You can see the before element though has an opacity of 0.9 and then that filter 1.5 REM blur. That's how it makes that nice looking green fade all the way around, which is really cool. Box shadow, but it's not really a box shadow. So I just wanted to make it look really cool. And then at the very end, if we click through this, can't click any buttons until it's done showing up. Moving on, you can see that this project was really cool at handling JavaScript as well as fine-tuning the DOM manipulation, which there isn't that many lines of code for the DOM, but for the HTML, but it plays with it a lot by calling all the elements. So anyways, I thought this would be a cool experience, and it keeps track of your score. You can see that right here, and then here's that final score you have scored out of whatever number it was, because it tallies up your score, and you can click the try again function and it starts all over again. So brings it back to the beginning. So just thought I could share this with you guys and see what you thought. Please let me know what I can do to improve this. I would like to add more questions and make it look cooler. So please let me know. All right.